Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm doing an unboxing of the Fossil Sport smartwatch powered by Android Wear OS. So I got this from the Fossil store online, but you can actually purchase them directly from visiting a Fossil store if they do have it in stock. So this is the first smartwatch that I plan to use long term in quite some time. I've tested other smartwatches here and there. They just didn't really appeal to me. The Galaxy watches seem to be great, but they're powered by Tizen OS. Nothing against them, but I prefer the Android connectivity with Android operating system, of course. And they're rather expensive, the Galaxy watches as of late. Samsung devices in general just been quite expensive. So I'm looking for a long-term solution, and the Fossil Sport is powered by the new Qualcomm chip, the new processor. And this is the first one that's priced reasonably with that processor in a smartwatch body. So I'm like, you know what, this is probably the refresher I need long term. So the packaging is pretty typical of what you expect even from a regular Fossil watch. In their clear case, they have the watch wrapped around the base in the middle. So it's pretty typical of their boxing style. So it's nice that they keep it consistent, because at the end of the day, it's still a watch, regardless if it's smart or not. So I'm going to see if I can power it on here. I don't know if it has any juice, so I'm just trying to power it on, see if I can give you guys some sort of glimpse of the screen, but it looks like it might need a charge. So we'll have to check it out in the review video. The link to that will be in the video description. And for the charging base, it looks to be like a magnetic clip base, because it doesn't look wireless. I see two tiny little copper pins, or maybe they're not copper, maybe there's something else. But it looks like they're gonna kind of just, there you go, snap on. It's magnetic. So it's not truly wireless, but you know, you just kind of snap it onto the base, so it's not a big deal. And let's see what we have for the manual. The manual shouldn't be really needed. Once you download the Wear OS app from, say, the Google Play Store, it kind of has these setup instructions there. This looks to be instructions for like how to charge it. Just snap it on. Download the Android Wear OS app, as I just mentioned, and instructions in various languages, because Fossil is, well, internationally known, right? So yeah, most of the instructions, it's just various languages. But the instructions itself, whatever language you're reading, is very straightforward, pretty small. And of course, it does have heart rate tracking. It tells you that, hey, don't put it exactly against your hand. Keep it a little bit further up on your wrist, a few inches away. And this looks to be product information. Again, ton of languages in here. The guide is huge, but it's mostly like safety and warranty information. That's pretty much it. There's not much more. So check out the review video. The link is in the video description. Hit the like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.